Space Kid by Roberta Edwards, illustrated by Nate Evans. Hi, I live way out in space. I can see the sun and the earth far, far away. I get out of my bed, I put on my t-shirt and my jeans. Now I can go and play. I go to the house next door. My dog comes too. I play with my friend. My dog plays with his friend dog. We all have fun. They are having fun. We ride our jet bikes. Zoom! Off we go. We stop at the park. We go on the swing and the slide. I look at my watch. Oh, it's late. I must go back to my house. Mom, Dad, and the baby are getting into our rocket. I am just in time. We are going to get pizza. The rocket goes by lots of moons and stars. Then we stop. We all have pizza. I have extra cheese and mushrooms on my pizza. Later we fly home. I am sleepy. I get in bed. I read a book, a scary book. The book is Life on Earth. The dog is scared. It's about kids on Earth. But I know it is just a story. After all, there are no kids on Earth. This book is fun to read.